Every year, World Milk Day is celebrated on June 1st. This day was established by the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations to recognize the significance of milk as a global food. It was first observed on June 1, 2001. This day intends to bring attention to all the activities that are related to the milk industry. Milk has always been a healthy drink because of the high range of nutrients in it. It is a primary source of nutrition before infant mammals can digest any other types of food. Every year, World Milk Day is celebrated to publicize the activities that are related to the milk and milk producing industries around the world. World Milk Day is the best opportunity for us to think about the health and nutrition of milk. It is a natural source rich in calcium, which promotes strong bones, and protein, which is good for healthy muscles and hunger busting. In 1983, it took over the production and milk marketing facilities under the Kerala Livestock and Milk Marketing Board. Milma was established in April 1980. Its headquarters in Trivandrum. The first chairman is P.A. Balan, who was a director board member of Milma for the past 30 years and was holding Ernakulam Regional Union Chairman for the past 6 years. He is also a recipient of the leading Milk Entrepreneur Award instituted by the Indian Economy and Research Association in 2013. In 1983, it took over the production and milk marketing facilities under the Kerala Livestock and Milk Marketing Board. The board was later named to Kerala Livestock Development Board in the early 1980s. Kerala was seen as a dairy-unfriendly state and had to depend primarily on the neighbouring states for its milk supply. However, today, Kerala is almost self-sufficient in milk production. This project is funded by the Swiss Development Corporation through the National Dairy Development Board. The motto of cooperation of the people, by the people and for the people is the foundation of the three-tier system followed by the organization. The power of the producer members is left right from the grassroots village cooperative society to the board governing the state-level federation through its system of functioning. At the village level, we have the village milk cooperative societies, which have the local milk producers as its members. The village cooperatives unite at regional level to form a regional cooperative milk producers union. These regional unions later federate at the state level to form state federation. The KCMMF operate on the truly democratic lines of the farmer, by the farmer and for the farmer.